Hello everybody and welcome. Yes, it's August 9th and it's Autocross Day yet again. This will be the third to the last race this year. We skip all of September and start up again in October. Heading up to meet Richard, so let's go.
Things arc out, I'm fucked.
Oh no, double trouble. Jim's here with the big Dodge. I'm running tech with Richard tonight, which means that we check out each one of the cars that run. If the cars have a yearly sticker, they get text one time, and we check everything to make sure it's a safe thing. People that do not have a yearly sticker come here to this area. We check them over. After they pass our test, we go ahead and give them a sticker for the night. And as you can see, big thunderhead. Hope it holds off. It doesn't look like it's going to be here very long. It might be a little wet otherwise, but you can still run even though it's wet here. It is August 9th and we're getting close. Driver's meeting will be about 6:30. Hey, customer for tech.
I want to know where you got these go-kart tires.
They work good, huh?
They do.
Yeah.
From the stock tires I was running to these, it means something different.
Look how small they are. They work well.
Last times it was like,
Well, you know, you're a great guy. We get to brag when we're talking about doing autocross that you can run any car you got.
See this? You can run any car you want, including this. How about that? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. It's a Continental Thunderbird. What is this thing?
the big thing is
All right, so what is this? Thunderbird?
Yep.
Is it really?
Yeah.
What year?
78.
78 Thunderbird.
Yeah, right there too.
Oh man, it almost looks like a Continental, you know, with that.
It is.
Is it?
A Ford car.
Yeah, of course.
It's the same thing, same bottles,
Yeah.
same body, same all that.
Yeah.
Just less fancy stuff.
Sure.
Someday you're gonna have to make sure clean the cowl out.
All right, we're good. We're good.
Well, I know you're old how this, but if
Safety
you got any
tech, come on.
questions,
Tell him he's got to clean that cowl out. That bothers me.
Now, you know what that's for? Aerodynamics.
What?
All that junk there is for aerodynamics,
That's
see?
just for breathing.
no,
It
you don't
is.
understand. That's where his pet squirrel rides.
Yeah.
My
There
favorite,
was a squirrel in there.
my favorite's this.
On the AC line. That was just like,
Yeah.
I don't need it anymore.
Yeah,
Never worked
it's
with it.
added weight. How big's the engine?
351.
350. Is it Windsor or a
Windsor.
Cleveland? Okay, Windsor.
51. Windsor.
Yeah.
Old Windsor.
Very cool. Well, very good. We love to see you. Hope you do well tonight.
I was worried. I was like, we're gonna be slippy slide today.
Hey, we might. I think it'll blow over though. I hope.
What I've noticed, the more reliable motor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, there you go. 78 T-Bird with a 351 Windsor.
So I'll be on the second.
Yeah, last time
This driver's second time. He's in his Mustang, 2.3 liter, and we just checked it over. He's a novice. They're signified by the N. Should be fun. He's really excited to run tonight. Yeah. Dang, this is clean. You ever drive it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sure you're not a Porsche driver?
Yeah, it looks pretty good.
160,000.
Do you really?
Bought it brand new.
How? The 300 ZX TT, it says. V6. A lot of engine in this little spot here. And it's, guy's been driving it a while. It's his first time here on Autocross. This just goes to show you can drive just about anything here. Nissan 300 ZX. Yeah, that's a set of numbers for you. B Street, number 6. Or B something else.
it was originally
Corvette?
done up by
You looked in the trunk, Dave?
Not yet.
Appalachia. Those guys over in Black Mountain.
Yeah, nice and clean.
A few years ago. The guy that
Looking good.
Turns out
It's getting ready for run number 1. We're in the first run group. Richard's riding with me today. Richard, you have any words of wisdom?
Yeah, go fast, Dave.
Matt is here. Matt, say hi, Matt. Say hi. Matt's going to be number 2 ride with us tonight. And Jim's there. We're all good to go. We're running track mode, as you see, and it should be an interesting run. It's be run number 1. Come on now, Sarah, kill it.
I'm gonna try.
Jared K.
This will be run number 1. Now that was a good run, 34.1.
Drop me off here, Dave.
Okay.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, Richard, have fun, bud. What'd you do?
Not good. I don't know. I messed something up.
Yeah, well, come on, get in here. Tell me about it.
Do what now?
Come on, get in. Push in on. There you go.
Got it.
Okay. All right, you guys know Sarah Christianberry? Yep. Okay, so how'd your run go?
It felt really good. It did feel really good, and then I got to the stop sign and it said 41 point something, which is not the worst, but it's not the best that I've done. So that makes me a little bit mad.
Well, it makes you mad to do better.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. I just want to be fast.
That's it. Good. Well, your next run will be better.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
How do you do?
34.1.
What's your best time? That sounds very
34.1.
Yo,
Yeah,
nice.
no, I take that back. I think it was a few times ago. It was 33.6 or something.
Well, even so, that's pretty up there with your fast
Well,
times.
you know, we'll just try to keep pushing it. You
Exactly.
know, good. Well, you're going to do well. I know it. I can feel it.
These seats are very comfortable.
Aren't they comfortable? The air conditioning's on too. That's the benefit. Just close that window and you can close your eyes and dream of the track. All right, this will be run number 2, and we've got Matt driving along with us today. Say hi, Matt.
Hey.
Yep, we're going to continue to push it and see how well we can do. All right, Matt, let's get her done.
Yeah, we're good.
All right, that sucked. Trying too hard. 35.8. What do you think, Matt?
It was pretty nice.
That's pretty wild,
Oh,
huh?
yeah.
Like Mr. Toad's Wild Ride, I think. I'm just sitting here letting the track mode cool things down. We're about ready to launch here. This will be run 3 coming up. Run 2 was disappointing. Kind of overdrove it. It wasn't the way I wanted it to be. It was 35.8. Admittedly faster than most people, but it was, I want it to be 33 or something. We'll see how it goes. Run 3 coming up. All right, this is run number 3. There's Sarah. Hope she does a good job here. We're next. That was run number 3, 34.4. Getting there. I got to get it going. This is run number 4 now. Yep, 34.24. That was run number 4, 34.424. At least I'm staying in the 34s. Yeah. Hey. You got a heck of a noise coming out of that thing. How'd you do?
39.
No cones?
No, I thought I had a 37 or better. I really felt good.
Yeah. Well, we just got to keep working it. Hey, look who's here. It's Deborah.
Hello.
Well, how's it going driving this here now?
It's got really old tires. I would really miss the Tesla.
Oh, you do?
Yes, I
Do you
do.
want to drive it for the second half?
The second half.
Yeah, I mean the second run group.
Oh, the second run group? I don't know if they'd let me do that or not.
Oh, well, it's your choice.
No, I'd have to ask.
All right, no
Yeah.
worries. Okay, take care.
Yeah, thanks.
All righty, good luck. This is Robbie. He used to drive Model S, and now he's driving this electric Mini. Well, what do you think, Robbie?
Man, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah? You having a good time in it?
I could definitely point it in a different place a lot faster than my old Model S.
Oh yeah,
Man,
I
that's
bet.
for sure. It's not quite as fast off the line, but still plenty fast because it's got that electric torque. But man, I'm having a lot of fun with it.
How's cornering with the new tires?
It doesn't even bear any resemblance to any previous life I led with the all-season tires.
Really?
Yeah.
I bet.
It's,
Just go around the corner and that's it.
yeah, I haven't fully found the edge of the grip yet. Even.
Yeah.
I think I still have a few tenths of a second to
Good.
find.
We'll keep pushing it till it starts feeling like ice, you know?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah?
I'm waiting for that. I think next time is my 5th run. I'm just going to send it.
Go for it.
I mean, cones, who
yeah.
cares?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
I just got to find out what the max is.
Yep. Good. Well, let me know how that works.
Yeah.
Looks nice though. An all-electric Mini. All right, Eric. How'd it go? Sorry, you guys look like you brothers or something?
That's Rick.
Are you really? Oh, well, no wonder you guys looked alike. All right.
Son.
Eric, son, this is Kyle, and this is Eric, and this, sorry? Derek.
And Rick.
And Rick. Holy
Hey.
mackerel, I'll get it right
Maybe,
eventually.
you know, like
maybe.
fun.
Maybe. Okay, good. How'd it go last time?
A little slower.
Yeah.
35, I think 8.
Yeah.
So, first one I ran, I got down to 34.9.
Sure.
So, like, the first autocross, 2 autocrosses
Right.
ago, but I don't know. Just,
My first one was the fastest so far. I haven't been able to pull out any more yet. I've got one more run to go, so we'll see how it goes.
there you go. Awesome.
Yeah,
Make the best run of the night.
that's how you do it, you know. You just hope for the best and try to not screw up.
Right.
Good.
No cones, so that's good.
All right, good. Well, looks good. What tires you using, Derek?
I got the Goodyear G-Force.
Okay.
So
All right.
they're a little bit harder than a Bridgestone.
Sure.
But they didn't actually have Bridgestones in stock, so I was like, well, I'll just get the G-Force.
It's not squealing like a little girl?
Right, yeah.
Okay, good.
Saving them.
All right, good. Awesome. All right, well, good luck. Last one. Okay. This will be run number 5, and look who we have. It's Sarah. Unfortunately, her car has caught a cold. It's got some issues, so we're going to try to cheer her up and take her for a ride today. Sorry to hear that.
Me too, man.
I
Me
bet.
too.
I bet. That sucks big time, doesn't it?
Yeah, we live 2 hours away.
Yeah, Sarah lives 2 hours from here, so it's going to be fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be exciting.
Maybe we can stop by the boatyard and get you an anchor. Yeah, it appears that the brake master or cylinder or the extra vacuum stuff's causing issues, so we're not sure. Anyway, we're going to go here in just a minute. just about home. Had a good night. Man, I'll tell you what, the weather held off. We had rain and stuff in the forecast, but it really just held off. It was great. Yeah, so when we look at the raw data here, we see that we had a couple go-karts. And then third on the list is Josh in his Factory 5 Cobra. He almost cracked 33 seconds, and that's go-kart territory. And this is a big car. He did well. Right behind Josh was another go-kart. So we really had 4 go-karts here. And then we had Frank, and I think somebody ran through the light because his car is just not that fast. Following him, we had Brian, who was in the Tesla, and then Richard, and then myself. And we had a total of 77 cars tonight. And it was pretty good. Weather was nice. Again, it was nice and warm, so all the tires liked it a lot. Had a good time. Saw some folks out there. Saw Derek in his Tesla Model S. He did very well. And Robbie, who used to have a Model S, was driving an electric Mini Cooper. And he reported with good tires. He had a blast with that. I guess we can look here in the raw and look down and see exactly how Robbie did. I can't do that when I'm driving here. All in all, the electric cars did very well. Nobody can beat a go-kart. Josh almost did, believe it or not, but he's an excellent driver, and the car is designed for this type of driving. If you liked tonight's video, go ahead and click the like, and if you would, please subscribe. I would certainly appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.